So hello, welcome back guys to my new vlog, and this is my first vlog, and today I will show you the beauty of my village, and it's a very beautiful place in North Pakistan. So I wish you enjoy and explore with me. That's all my journey, and I want that share with you some information and these beautiful places. That's just random logs, and you need to support me, so I will show you most of logs. And the main problem is that I got poor English, so you don't need to mind it, and I will obviously, we are not native with this language, so maybe pronounce many of words like we don't need to pronounce, like. So uh, I will I will be very thankful of you if you want to watch my videos and giving me support. Then I will do struggle to do it. So you just need to support me, and I will well I will show you every day places like these and the most beautiful places here in Pakistan, in the north of my village. And this is now I'm on road, and you see how beautiful is this place. You know, it's a natural beauty all, and that's all are unexplored areas of Pakistan. So I wish you could be enjoying my vlogs next. So I will showing you. You are need to visit my channel and like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And also you can make fun of my this English. So okay, let's meet in next vlog.